and everything. But look what them people here do, G's and Peanut. What do you know the better for do? Yeah, freeze, brother. All the two on are freeze. They look like two chickens. Down to see how fast I can drive in the snow. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm dead. I'm dead. Guys, the heat turn up, so maybe we're not really gonna hear me perfectly, but driving to work in a snowstorm, yo. Like, look at the cars, look at the road. Man, it's the sunshine and all of them something here. Jaja, it was a hustle to clean all of this off my car. My car was completely covered. I have this big ice scraper with a broom on the edge end of it. I had to use the sweeper off the car. Oh my gosh, but I'm just gonna give you a journey on my way to work right now in this little bit of snow. A little bit, because it's a whole heap of snow. I'm not used to all of this. Look at this flying towards the damn car glass and shit. I'm afraid to drive beside this truck right now. Hella traffic behind me and thing. Oh, my lights wasn't even on. Police would have stopped me. Damn. Yes, what's up, YouTube? Your boy Tyrekejt here with another video. As Truckman move! I know my hair is looking hideous again. I know every video change, but Truckman, I put me in the Truckman. Jano Star. Black you while driving, dada, level in the snow. You know what? I'm just gonna show you guys a journey. Maybe put a little B-roll music there. That's why I want to see all the them. People there, yeah, that car they brought done over there from last night. My pastor car they brought done. I saw that car over there from last night. But as I said, I'm just like show you guys the road, honestly, B-roll action, because this is some beautiful sight right now with the snow. So watch this. Sure. And look at those guys. Every corner you see another one of those things over there. What they call it? Zombie in here, whatever them call. The ice truck. The truck never clean the ice off of the road, basically. The snow off of the road. Why my phone not zooming? Okay. Them truck there? Yeah, every corner you see one. So actually see the road look? Yeah, them do them something there. John, that be nice now, man. If turn off, I get cold still, but I can't bother. I make too much noise. And my wiper make too much noise, but I can't turn off that. Family, need to stop and get some food. Because you all know, rule number one when it's in the snow is the winter season. Leave out extra early if you go to work. Alright, yeah, go anywhere you're going. Leave out extra early. My glass finally clean. But rule number one, leave out early. Make sure you leave out early. You never get to eat a breakfast, you can wake up late. Why you can't come so close to my car? Brother? Yeah, but rule number one, leave out early. Be prepared for anything right now. There you go, show. They said the snow is going to be up to like 5 to 6 inches. I'm waiting. It's not even 1 inch yet, so imagine when it reach that. Man, I used to have something here, brother. I ain't used to this. Don't show them. Yeah, my boy, yes. Freeze, my general. Oh, you can't clear that for my one and I drive my one. Look at the car that over here, so I can't even see good. Actually, the car that them. You see the car over there? What I carry them car? What go by them carrier? Achoo! Grapes. Alright, you know what? Now I take the road that got me working, I'm take the back road today. You know? I'm taking the back road. You know when they're Jamaican, when I say I hide from the police, them I take you back road. Take you back road right now, you know, because I can't bother. Going to rip on the road there now. Alright, brakes and look through. Road. Going to rip on the road. Rip on road. People, that's supposed to never drive from me there. I force me to drive in a speed limit. Rip on the road, we go hand pan, you know. You see me answer on the back road, you know. Jaja. 1, 2, 3, red light. I can't tell to see nothing through my glass them. That's it. Nothing you can't really see. But, you know, I make a bankings and things. Let's look at them bankings over here. So, like, just imagine snow in Jamaica, right? Snow in Jamaica, and they have these, remember these, shit, snow in Jamaica, but just imagine the bush them will have in Jamaica, them hill with them bag of snow upon it. ice that set up on the hill. Imagine when it start melt off and roll under the road and everything. But look what them people here do, cheese and peanut. What do you know the better for do? You freeze, brother. The two on you freeze. Look like two chicken. No, man. People no easy, man. Brother, they look like chicken. And them are nice, no. No, man. I see how you fancy now parking up on the garage. I'm gonna back what I do. Okay. So, alright. But them people are why I got already. No, man. These people are crazy, yo. But I guess they're used to the weather and thing, but damn. Who call your car clean? Can you park on the garage and everything, brother? Me can't do them sitting them in the garage to park on that yet. That's who yet, man. Maybe next year, no? Maybe I see something like this. You know what I like for now? Where police park them car. All like police car, all like police they must have money for park. So I know. Missouri a bush, you know. Hey, it's the second time that snow people and the car never yet move. It look like it move, but it never yet move when it snow, like it just clean it off. Last time, this snow way more than this and the car they completely covered, brother. Completely covered. That's crazy though. Like, those two people, why the hell would you want to come out? The buyer running a treadmill or whatever it name, the workout equipment them, put one in your house. I don't remember the name, man. They turn their house and run where you eat and you're warm. Get tall, but anyways, it's sidetrack. Why them outside in the rain and run? Them more rain than the snow. Oh my gosh, wildwood. Why up? The people are just crazy. And you can't see the freezing. You can't see them face and freeze off. I mean, I'm not might eat a book right now. I mean, govern and still see out there. No, sir. People crazy. But let's continue with the journey. I don't see no accident yet. I don't see no exciting go on yet. I don't see nothing really go on yet. I understand what I'm showing the journey. Because I don't know so when I used to them something already. You see me? I say, when I used to all of them something, you go on right and so right you know in them places. You see me? I say that. Me used to the sunshine, the dog. You see me, dog? And the girl them fat but you're working the dog. And I show you say, yo, right you know, dog. Can't bother and dog. I'm talk be a man this right now, the dog. Yo. You see me talk be a man this dog. Sometimes I have to just bill and just say, yo. Yeah, yo. You see me? I say, yo, yeah, dog. But right now, I say, yo, and cheer no and thing and brother, I say the young body. Why you, brother? What? Turn off the camera. I'm take it from my window and walk. Oh, it's a walk. Alright, good to walk. What's your man? Why not back? Go up, you know? But that free spot me, you know? Alright. So what happened to my light? My light now work. What happened to my light, bro, God? January star, update. I'm just leaving the stoplight. Like, I want to go on. They want me to jump out of the car and go to BBC World News. But anyways, they are scroll me do 20. Why man I drive 20 now? I still can't get over those people though. Jogging in the rain. Jogging in the snow, it's not rain, boy. Like, jogging in the snow, that's crazy. And the thing is, like, little snowfall, just because there's not enough snow yet. Or that's how they want to make it seem that this is not a lot of snow. And I'm not sure. Everyone, oh, just wait until it starts snowing. Yes, it has snow now. What I'm not see not one I talk about. But the case this is a snowstorm, I see that driving in snow. So I'm not talk about. But as I said still, as little snowfall, call your phone. Hello, school will not be open today. I couldn't say work that came to that too. I couldn't say work I go lock down to it too. I'm telling me and get the money. I want to no too. But I realize it could snowfall. The first time it snowfall because I understand why. This is enough. This is a little bit. The road is not frozen. You understand? My road not ice up. So I don't understand why school have to lock. But anyways, it's not my business that. I saw the 20 see me go on the road and thing. One long line of traffic. A long line of traffic will start up behind because I ain't moving faster than this. I don't want to skid in my little BMW I yet. You see me I say. But me I go and travel safely. I'm gonna start freeze up. Come turn off the heater. I'm gonna leave them white. You know. No homo. Okay. Care. We're on the home stretch now, people. Now to see how fast I can drive in the snow. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Alright, slow down me, slow down you. Bumbuckler. Don't skid in the brother. Bumbuckler now. Alright, 60 minutes ago, I'm gonna dog. Pussy. Gonna. Alright, see there. Reach. Alright, good. Alright, good. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Got you. And then boy still come up back, man. I said, I'm drive fast, nice, no them, man. The big everlasting truck here. I want to go, gotta go on right there, so. I want next one there again, a third one that me see again, people. No, man, them truck here out. Them out. Bad man out and stunting. Girl with big jumping. Stepping out again. Deaf. I'm good, man. I'm going to relax. But anyway, it's been a boy Tyrekejt, guys. Thanks for checking out this little video. You see me? I say that's a show what my experience right now. Like, wow, I miss Jamaican weather. But I don't really miss Jamaica yet. You see me? But I'm gonna jump on the work right now. See what can go on. Look, them still white, man. No. Nobody don't come at me. Don't come at me. It's been a boy Tyrekejt. Peace out. Tell your baby mother. Tell your mother me say hi.